Hey, what's up guys? One half of the Caper Couple back. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that like button. And today I'm sitting in my yard and I'm just on the way to a location to give you guys a little bit more of the paranormal side of the island. So I guess I'll catch you guys back when I arrive at the destination, which isn't really far away. So peace. Hey, what's up guys? I'm here. I'm at my destination and this is Memorial High School. So, give you guys a little look around here. It's a really big school, guys. So this is Memorial High School. It houses about close to 1,000 students. I went here myself back in the day. Really big school, guys. A lot of the teachers I had were very nice. So, tales of the paranormal, they seem to come in abundance here on our island. Which actually doesn't surprise me, seeing as how long people have been residing here. And we don't actually know for sure who was the first to settle here, but we do know the first recorded. I actually stated this in previous episodes, and today's video brings me to this school, which is a place of my own past. Now this school, guys, it resides between both towns, North Sydney and Sydney Mines, and I'm here to share with you the strange happenings that went on over the years, and reports of phantom voices being heard when no one else is around, toilets flushing on their own, stall doors being opened and closed with nobody in there. There are apparitions in the gymnasium and cafeteria being seen, and complaints of feelings of being watched in and on around the grounds. So you guys wanted some of the paranormal. I'm going to try and give you as much as I can. Now, I've never experienced anything like that when I went here, guys, but there are a ton of people that have reported stuff like this going on in the school. And I also believe this school was built on a graveyard. I think it was built in 1976, if I'm right. I'm not sure if I'm right. But yeah, it was either this one or Sydney Mines Junior High was built on a graveyard, but I think it's this one. I'd say that's why people are hearing all these things and seeing the apparitions and stuff. But I'm in the back lot of the school, guys. I wanted to park here so I can fire my drone up here and get you guys a little bit of aerial. But lots of memories here from this school, guys. And I was bad when I was in school. I skipped a lot. I didn't finish high school. I dropped out halfway through grade 11. I was actually taking a carpentry trade here, and I just didn't get along with my carpentry teacher. My usual carpentry teacher was a great guy, but he retired when I hit grade 11, and we had this new guy, and I just didn't get along with him. And you know, he wanted things his way in the class, and I didn't want to abide to them, so I dropped out. But I don't suggest anybody drop out of school, guys, because you're really going to have a hard time in life, like myself. But this is the school. I might just walk over here and show you the front of it, and then I'll come back and get my drone out, guys. Closed down now because of COVID, and I believe, I'm not even sure if they're going to have school this year, this September. All the kids got lucky this year and didn't have to finish school ever since this COVID-19 hit. They have a rugby field back there, guys. You can see it there. Something I never played when I went here. I used to have a great relationship with the vice principal here, and I still see him now and then and talk to him, and he remembers me really well. I actually used to torture him all the time. He was a really big man with a bald head, and I used to pick on him about him being bald. But he was a real nice guy. There's the entranceway, guys. I mostly used to hang out at this exit, exit 2, and sometimes exit 6, which is over around the back side, over the far corner. And carpentry shop used to be right here. It was actually 3 trades, so it was like 3 classes mixed: the carpentry, the electrical, and the plumbing. But yeah, there's all kinds of stories of seeing apparitions and toilets flushing on their own. Now this is before they had those automatic toilets, guys. I'm talking about the flush handle toilets. They would flush on their own, and stall doors would be opening and closing on their own with nobody in the bathroom. So you can see it's a really big school. And it's the only high school for North Sydney and Sydney Mines, and Brador kids come here. They're sorry guys. You can still go back if you're too old too here. They'll take you in and let you finish your grade 12. So sorry about the gimbal, guys. It's jumping around because I'm moving the mic. With that being said, I'll get you guys a little bit of aerial footage here, and then we'll head out. So I'll catch you back in a bit. Peace. Well, there you go, guys. That's about it for today. It's a cooler day, but it's a little windy. Now I have plans for tomorrow. You'll see. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag. You guys will see. So till the next one, guys, please subscribe to the channel, comment down below, make sure your post notifications are on, give us a like, and until the next time, catch you later. Peace.